Okay, people, so I just recently released my unboxing and first impressions for the Edifier WH950NB over-the-ear headphones. These right here. If you haven't watched that, I'll put that YouTube card right here. Go ahead and check that out. But this video right here is a full deep dive into the Edifier Connect app. And strangely enough, Edifier does not advertise their Edifier Connect app on the outside of this box. So you just need to know that it has an app, and this is the video for that. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and stick around and we can talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
Okay, people, so first thing you want to do when you do get these headphones, obviously is charge these all the way up completely, but you do have this Edifier Connect app right here that you do want to download. As you open up the app, this is what it'll show right here, your splash screen. And if your headphones aren't already paired to your mobile device, you'll see this screen right here. You have your wireless series, noise cancellation series, Neobud series, and Stax Spirit series. I do have a wireless series right here, so I'm gonna go back into my settings. They should automatically pop up, and if not, I'm going to hold down the multifunction button. It'll power off and then power back on, and then it'll go into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now power back on and hold it down. Pairing Bluetooth pairing mode, they'll show up right there. Click on that, it'll say connected. I'll go back to the app, it'll automatically pick up that it's connected. The wireless series will do this. There you go, and then they're right there. So that's how you connect to this app. Now, as you can see, you do have your Edifier name at the top. The top right is your settings icon. Inside of here, you get your name up to your headphones. You can go ahead and you can change that name. I'll leave that like that. You have your reviews tab at the top right. It says, to better improve our product and services, kindly hope you write reviews on the app. Your feedback will greatly drive us to make the app more user friendly. So I'm just gonna hit cancel because I don't want to read that. You have your user manual right here, which it gives you general specs on the app right here. And you can do the full user manual right here. It'll take you outside the app, and it will show this right here. So you have your power on, power off, pairing. It tells you what to do right there. Reset, status lights, and then also controls as well right there. So let me go back into the app. That is the user manual. Underneath that, you have control settings. I showed this in my last video. You can customize the multifunction button, the single press option, the double press option, and the press and hold. And here are the different options you have. Now you have to have at least 2 of them connected at the same time for it to toggle through. If not, the app will not let you have only one thing selected. So if I do try to go less than that, it's to select 2 to 5 items at one time. So I will just keep all of this stuff on. And then also under dual device connection, you can turn this off and on. I will leave this on. If you try to turn this off, you will have to restart your headphones. I don't want to do that right now. And what dual device connection means is that you're just hooked up to multiple devices at the same time. So if you're watching a movie on your tablet and your phone rings, these headphones will switch over to your phone. You pick that up. Once you hang up the phone, it'll switch back over to your tablet so you can continue watching your movies. Oh, but then also, if you do want your LDAC to be enabled, you have to cut this off. So I do want that, so I'm going to cut this off and then have this reset and have to reconnect again. Prompt volume underneath that, it goes up to 15, and I'm gonna leave it at 5 just because I do like the prompt volume at 5. Going back, you have your safe volume limit. And so what this safe volume limit does, it will limit these headphones from going higher than 85 decibels. I do not want that on, so I'll cut that off. You got your power off, self-explanatory. Shutdown timer, never 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, and 3 hours. So if you're like in a comfortable space or whatever and you feel like you're about to fall asleep, you can set this timer. It automatically cut off. I don't know if you watched the video before, but these do not have that automatic feature where you take these off your heads and the music will stop. So maybe they put that in there just in case. You also have your Bluetooth settings right here. You can disconnect Bluetooth, repair Bluetooth, and you have your factory settings also, which is self-explanatory. So in the middle of the app right here, as you see, you do have your headphones right here. You see my battery status 100%, safe volume is off. You have your different noise selections at the bottom: high noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, wind reduction, ambient sound, and noise cancellation off. So depending on what environment you're in and how you want it, you can go ahead and change your sound option right there. You do have what music is playing at the bottom, and then at the very bottom you have headphones, discover, mail, and me. So if you click on headphones, obviously this is what you get. Discover, you can discover new items right here. And then mail, you can go and sign up and get official mail, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, Edifier official mail. I don't care about that. To get out of this, you do have to click on this circle with the dot up top and it'll go back. And then you also have this me tab right here and it says, hi, welcome to Edifier Connect. You can do customized tunings. It goes into customized mode. You can adjust that if you want to. Go back, I'll talk about that in a little bit. You also have device compatibility, which brings you back to that main screen. You can see all the different devices. So in the wireless series, it has all of these items right here. Go back, noise cancellation series as well. A lot of different items. I do have some of those items as well. You can add a widget to your home screen. So this is what the widget will look like. I don't know if this will look different if it was on Android, but this is the widget screen, how you add a widget for iOS. You have your frequently asked questions, and then they'll also give you different things underneath that to try and see if those work, if you're having those issues. And you have About Us, and it just shows company profile, version update, and that all that good stuff right there. So now if I go back to the headphones tab at the bottom, there is still more to talk about inside this app. So if you swipe to the left, it'll go to your next screen, and this is your sound effects tab. I do like to keep it on dynamic, but you also have classic, and then you also have customize right here. So you click the customize and you click it again, you can go in here, adjust your EQ exactly how you want it, your gain, it'll show you what your gain is. If you don't know what gain is, underneath that you have your Q factor, which is that's what's explained right here. And then underneath that you have your frequency as well. So you have these three different options which you can do to customize your EQ inside this app. You also can click this plus button next to the customize section. You can scan a QR code, or you can just do new customized settings, and then you can name that customize 1, customize 2, whatever. Pick a genre name, whatever you want to have named. You can have multiple. Let me go ahead and hit save so you can see how that looks like. Hit save. Okay, see, here's customize 1, here's customize 2, and you keep adding stuff. So if you're consuming some type of content, whether it's watching a TV show or watching a movie or listening to the podcast or listen to any genre of music that you're interested in, you can customize these tabs up here so that you can tailor it, and you can switch over to whichever customized EQ you want to have the sound exactly how you want it, depending on what type of content you're consuming. And then also at the top, it says more. You click on that. You can share, reset, rename, and delete. So that's that. And you can do that with any of these customized EQs. For me, I just like to leave it on dynamic. That's just how I am. Also at the top right, you have this question mark, and it just breaks down exactly what the three different sound effects are. So you got classic, dynamic, and customized right there. So you can pause this video, read that for yourself. And then you swipe over again on the last tab, you do have your different sound modes. So you have music mode, game mode, and theater mode. I keep it on theater mode myself. I just like it like that. But I want to say game mode, it will try to reduce latency as much as possible if you do game with these on, but I did game with these on and I didn't have any issues when it came to latency. So I'm just going to keep it on theater mode. And that's all I got for you people. That was everything inside of the app. I ran through everything. Like I said at the beginning of this video, there are mainly two things I look for when I'm looking inside of an app, is to customize the EQ and customize your button functions. And this app provides both of those options. Everything else outside of that is just a cherry on the top, and I'll take it if they provide it. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, or you just want to support me on my YouTube journey, go ahead and please smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.